These are the hairstyles everyone is obsessed with in 2026. They're simple, flattering, and instantly make you look more polished, even with zero makeup. Don't skip, because the last few are game changers. 1. Make a ponytail at the back and wrap it around the elastic twice. On the third wrap, stop halfway to form a loop. Take the remaining hair from both sides, lift it up, secure with another elastic, then wrap it around the bun. And that's your perfect, clean, effortless look. 2. Part your hair in the middle, leaving some strands out at the front. Make mini braids on both sides all the way to your ears and secure the ends with small elastics. Gently loosen the braids for a soft look and curl the strands left at the bottom on both sides. And there you have a cute, effortless style ready to shine. 3. Gather the hair at the back and twist it twice with your fingers. Secure it with a claw clip for an effortless, chic look. 4. Part your hair. Make a ponytail at the back, leaving the bottom hair out. Flip it forward, split the loose hair into 2 sections, and secure them over the first ponytail. Clean, stylish, and perfect. 5. Make a sleek ponytail at the back, then add elastic bands at small sections down to the ends. Gently loosen each section for volume, and finish by placing a claw clip at the top. Sleek, trendy, and perfectly polished. 6. Make a small ponytail at the top, then take a little hair from the sides and create another ponytail over it. Cross the ponytails, gently loosen them, and you'll get a soft, pretty finish. 7. Leave a few strands in the front. Then take small sections from the front and twist them back till the ears. Secure the twists on both sides with pins, and your soft hairstyle is ready. 8. Leave a few strands in the front. Then, on one side, make a braid and another small braid under it and loosen them slightly. Do the same on the other side. Now bring all the braids to the back and secure them with a ribbon. And your cute hairstyle is ready. 9. Apply a little hair oil and brush your hair smoothly. Leave a few strands in the front. At the back top, make a ponytail, then divide it into 2 sections. Take one section, bring it down from the top, and repeat the same on the other side to form a bow shape. Secure the bottom with a rubber band. And your cute bow hairstyle is ready. 10. For medium hair, leave a few strands in the front. First, take some hair from the front and make a ponytail at the back top. Then take a little more hair from both sides and make another ponytail at the back. Now bring the lower ponytail upward and secure it with the top pony, and your cute hairstyle is ready. 11. At the back, gather all your hair and make a ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 2 sections and braid them. Then tie the 2 braids together 3 times. Secure everything with a rubber band to form a bun. Finally, add a ribbon to the bun, and your cute hairstyle is ready. 12. For short hair, create heatless curls first. Leave a few strands in the front, then make a small ponytail at the back. Place a mini clip just under the pony, and your cute short hair hairstyle is ready. 13. Leave some hair out on both sides, then make a ponytail with the back hair. Take the side sections and make small ponytails as well. Now twist the back ponytail and pass it through the first ponytail, and your cute hairstyle is ready. 14. Divide the back hair into 2 sections. From the top on both sides, make ponytails using only the top hair. Cross the 2 ponytails over each other. Then, from underneath, make braids on both sides. Finally, add a ribbon on top, and your cute hairstyle is ready. 15. Part your hair, then leave a few strands in the front. From both sides, take small front sections and twist them back. Do the same on the other side. Curl the remaining hair for a soft, pretty look, and your hairstyle is ready. Which of these 15 hairstyles are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with your bestie.